What's good, y'all? Season 3, back at it again for another reaction video. Get some more lighting on this. So yeah, oh man, I hate this so much. Okay, so we saw this clip on TikTok of a short film that's been going around a little bit, and it's called "Man on Train." Now I saw just like a little teensy bit of it, and it's terrifying. And then this guy right here said, "Hey, let's react to it." You know, you guys love nothing more than seeing some black boys terrified.
I don't know if I haven't watched it completely. I don't know if it's scared. It just, what's the word
it's
for it?
creepy.
I get a disturbing dream, bro.
Yeah, but yeah, here it is. Hopefully you enjoy it, and make sure you like and share this with people because we're not doing this for us. We're doing this for you. Okay? All right. Seems like a nice lady.
The fact that it's so calm, you know something's gonna go off, bro.
Where is she trying to go? Just sit down.
For real.
Just sit down.
Doing too much.
Oh, you had a long day? Okay.
Was she like around in her 30s, 40s?
I'm a bit of a blur actually. So it's like in front of the camera and everything's fine, right? Like we're shooting.
Get out that conversation.
Like, it was getting a bit weird, some of the positions, but I was like, whatever.
She's smiling.
Position.
What the
And
heck?
I was like, okay, yeah, I'll walk around the back of the
People.
Yeah, then he wanted me to
People.
take pictures. So I went round to his side of the camera and it was so weird. Like he just so slowly put his hand around my back. Why didn't you call me?
Bro, she is nosy.
Alright, she about to pay attention to the wrong man. I'll get you in the bed.
So like, park that there for a second, okay? Cut forward 2 months later. Do you remember that girl, Jane, whose number I was trying to get off?
Am I wrong? No, it wasn't wrong. Like I obviously.
Yo,
Come on,
yeah, no, dude.
Grand.
You have nothing else going for you, you gotta look at everybody else? Listen to everybody else?
We're having a drink, she's asking me like, where do you work? I say I work at Casay's, and she says, no way. I was chatting to a guy like 2 weeks ago who said he worked for Casay's. I was like, okay, interesting.
Yo, what's going on? Why does everybody stop talking? Yo.
Yeah. Whoa! You saw that man? You saw that guy?
Okay. Alright, restart. Alright.
No.
Is he getting closer?
Bro, no. How is she not reacting?
Is he getting closer? Okay. Yo.
No.
He did.
I got closer.
Yo.
We doing this? We doing this now, bro? We doing this? Really? Really? Really?
It's so.
Bro, how is she not reacting?
It's not like it's not a jump scare. It's just so unsettling.
And he's doing the thing over.
Like.
Weird.
Is she just calm as...
Please.
Bro,
Okay. No, because at this point, no, this is what you do. No, this is a survival tip. No, guys, this is seriously a survival tip. If anybody's acting that crazy, you have to act crazier.
Yep.
Yeah, no, you have to act crazier. There's no other option. No, because she already tried the door, right? So the door closest to her, she can't open. So at that point, you know what she has to do? She has to stand up. That's the only way I see this going down. That's the only way I see you making it out of this. You have to act crazier.
Man, what you get?
boy, ain't no way.
You always have to act more crazier. There you go, survival tip. Now you guys know.
Not a normal human.
Oh god, is she getting closer?
Bitch.
Oh no. Where'd he move? Where'd he move? Where'd he move? Where did he move to?
This girl better not look back.
Where did he move to? Where did he move to? Oh, he's not there no more.
He's above. He's above. He's above. Oh my god. What's wrong with his eyes? Was his eyes gone? Ain't no way, boy.
Why is it so quiet?
And the thing is, she's gonna look back.
Bro.
Is there a reason?
No. No, just no. No. Ow!
That's it?
So,
Bro, no, look, this is what I'm doing in that situation. I look the first time he go, I'm looking out the window. I'm done.
Greg, when I tell you my fist would just move so fast out of the reflection, like I'm looking at the reflection, right? He's directed.
Look, I'm like this. I'm looking at the window.
Like I said, either that or you act crazy, or you smile with him. You either gotta smile with him or you fight him.
No, I'm hitting. I'm hitting. Right when I look at that,
You either have to smile with the crazy person or you have to fight him.
You gotta run up on him.
Greg, why she turn around like this? She turned. Wait. No. Wait, is there like a double meaning under like stop getting into people's business
Probably.
on conversation on the train? Like, what if that's what the guy was doing? Like,
What are you looking at? And she kept looking.
yeah.
Like, mind your
That's what you
business.
get for getting being nosy. You all in people's mouth. When someone says, "Get out of my mouth," get out of their mouth.
No, because she was
Get out of their
really,
mouth.
she was really smiling into other people's conversations. I'm like, bro,
listening hard as hell.
the guy's on the phone.
This one is really weird, man.
Yeah.
That's the one where
of the box.
that's where this guy comes home, brings his friend a box, right?
Should we
And
just
he's-
watch it if you're
Yeah.
about to explain it?
Yeah, let's watch.
Dude, that one is weird.
All right, well, I guess we're watching multiple videos tonight. It's 15 minutes. Oh, God. Here we go. Let me just restart this.
You know, at Gringos we get holidays off.
Oh, hey, the sauce, you cannot let it burn. Recipe says stirring constantly. I swear.
I
He
swear,
swears.
when you put 2-inch broccoli end up on my plate, you're getting it. I had to deal with a disappointing 2 inches enough as it is.
Whoa.
You are bad.
Whoa. Yo, the fact that he's not that.
Yeah, that's
and the
not-
guy that bro.
That's not funny.
Pictures of me anyway.
That's not
Low
funny.
key.
And yeah, we're gonna.
Hey, yo.
Oh shit!
What?
It's Sean.
What is he doing here?
I don't know.
Why are you looking like
Oh,
that?
I really don't want to see him right now.
What's Sean do to you?
I got it. Sean? Long time, man. Good to see you.
Hey, Ben, this is a bad time.
No, I was just, no. Yeah, sorry, do you want to come in?
Yeah, sure, that'd be great, thanks.
What's Sean do?
Your mom told me where you were at.
Oh. Oh.
This is a nice place.
Oh, thanks. Yeah. Where are you at now?
Same place.
Oh, cool.
I'm really sorry everything went down before.
No, hey, it's water under the bridge.
Is she here?
What happened?
Oh, no, she's at her parents' house right now. She's decorating.
Oh. Great. Look, I just want to give you this.
Sean, you.
It's a bomb.
Can I get you a drink or something?
No, I'm fine. I'm fine.
Bro, no, you don't just let somebody drop off a gift
you okay?
in that state and be cool.
Yeah.
At night.
What do you do? What?
Unexpected.
Can you just do me a favor though?
Yeah, of course.
Can you open it?
Yeah, of course, man. Let's open it.
And open the box first. The card will make sense after.
Yeah, that's when you don't do it.
What?
All right, I don't get it. Is it supposed to?
Yup.
Ain't no way.
Sean?
I'm sorry. I gotta go.
Ain't no way.
What do you do? What do you do?
Ain't no way.
What do you do? What did you do?
What happened?
He left.
It. Ben? Ben.
Yo, what?
Yep.
Ben.
Yep. No, there.
I need something.
What?
Bro, no, this is like. I'm sorry. Why are you investigating?
Well.
Well,
Still, well. you
Guys.
know, this is when pigmentation comes into play. That's all I gotta say.
let me tell you a perspective of what our people would do. See, when we get the box and the guy walks away saying, "I'm sorry."
No, first
No,
off, it's
that
not
wouldn't even get that. That wouldn't even get
The
that.
box is out the
No,
out
I'm
the
just-
window.
He's not. I'm not opening it.
I'm just trying to.
I'm not even opening the door.
Well, yeah, even that. But you know, hypothetically, even if all of that was to happen and the guy walked away saying, "I'm sorry," like that, we're throwing the box out the freaking window.
Like I said, it's not getting to
We're locking all the doors. You know what else? We're getting our guns.
He is not getting to that point.
I'm talking about I need some.
Why did?
Just can he just open the box?
Well, that's odd.
No kidding. Yeah,
Bro, read the card.
there was a card.
With his serial killer handwriting.
Dear Ben, I'm sorry about everything before and everything now, but I had to give it to someone.
And he gave it to you.
I don't have it all figured out, but I know it can't move while you're watching.
It can move.
It can't.
Whatever you do, don't take your eyes off of it. It wants you to look away.
And he took it off.
And you're still not looking at it.
It's a no. It's a no. It's a no. It's a no. It's a no.
Yup.
It's a no. It's a no.
Yep.
It's a no. It's a no.
That is the first A sucker punch to the face.
So
That's
no.
the first thing. Look. I'll run up on that. Boom, bang, bang, bang. Yeah, no way.
And you look away again.
Stop looking away.
Hello?
He's just scared.
That's weird.
Why is he just scared?
Hello?
Stop.
I'm calling Sean.
Don't look away. Don't look away.
Hey, this is
She's keeping her eyes on her. Right?
Sean, hey, it's Ben. Look, I don't know what this thing is that you gave me here, but
Call the cops.
call me back
Call the cops.
now.
Call the cops. Call the cops. Cops.
Dude,
And it's just looking at him. No, it's for him.
Why is it looking at you like that?
Because it's for you.
I don't know.
What do you think it wants?
I'm not gonna lie, if I'm a girl, I'm dipping on
Yeah.
I don't know.
Call him again.
Boy!
No, stop.
Hey, this is Sean. Leave a message.
What do you think it
I
wants?
said I don't know.
Oh.
Why is it looking at you like that?
Sean, hey, it's Ben. Look, call me back. Now.
It is mocking them.
Oh.
We're getting out of here.
It's mocking them.
No! Nick, you don't take your eyes off of it.
Rachel.
We can't.
She's smart. No, he
We're not
can't.
supposed to look away from it.
No, he can't.
He's dumb, like,
Yeah.
What happens if we do?
That's what we need to find out. Just for a second. Okay? We need to know what we're dealing with.
Nope.
On the count of 3.
Don't
They're
look
closing their eyes, aren't
away.
they? They're closing their eyes, aren't they?
1, 2,
2,
3.
3.
Why?
Yo.
Could have been worse.
Could have been worse.
What? What do you want?
I'm sorry. I gotta go.
Smack, bro.
I'm saying on a good hit.
Just Ben.
Hey!
Don't let him leave the house.
Don't let him leave the house?
You can't move as long as you're looking at it, right? That's what it says?
Yeah.
I'm gonna find Sean. I don't know why he did this, but I'm gonna find out. One of us has to stay and watch it.
You?
What? No. Don't leave me alone here with this thing.
It's fine, we don't even know what it is, okay? It could be harmless.
You think that?
Is that what you
Don't
think?
let it leave the house. It's harmless.
Stop.
That girl's a statue. He's a bad boyfriend.
He is a horrible person.
Getting into ads.
Great mystery.
All right, so yeah, commercial break. So yeah, he's a bad boyfriend.
Yep. Point blank.
There you go.
Point blank.
That's all I have to say.
She may be the greatest girlfriend ever.
Oh my God! What? I know. Quick, fast,
You
and
know it has to be
hurry.
me, right? You heard what Sean said,
To not
John.
let you leave the house, that's exactly what it wants. Just be quick.
Real quick.
She's gonna be dead when he comes back.
Yeah, I feel
That's all I
like this
know.
is.
She's probably gonna like
Hey,
fall
this is
asleep
Sean.
somehow. I don't even know how you can fall asleep with that.
Hey, this is Sean. Leave a message. Hey, this is Sean. Leave a message.
How did he give that to his friend?
Sean, answer the phone!
He stole his girl.
I don't know why you did this, but I'm gonna find out. It told us what you said. I don't know what I could have possibly done.
What are you talking about?
Sean, why haven't you been answering?
What did you just
Why
say?
haven't you been answering the phone?
No, you just said it told us what I said.
Yeah, it spoke. Or echoed. It told us what you said.
What I said. What do you mean? Who's us?
Come on about me not leaving the house.
Ben, I didn't tell it to do anything. I didn't even know it could speak.
Yeah.
Sean, what's going on?
Ben, it's lying to you. I don't know why, but it lied to you.
Why did you give this to us?
Us, you keep saying us. Who's us?
Us, man, me and Rachel.
She was at the house. Ben, where are you right now?
I'm coming to you.
No! You have to keep your eyes on
I
it!
know, Rachel's watching it.
No, Ben, you!
You!
God damn it, I gave it to you! You have to keep your fucking eyes on it!
She's gone.
Yup.
Ben, don't go back. Don't you go back there!
This boy Ben is messing up.
And the lights are off.
No.
well.
No. Exactly. Why was it even him that left? Oh my god.
And the box is gone.
No, 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 no.
The chair is tilted.
No, no, no.
The knife is on the floor.
Why? Why?
Bad boyfriend. Bad boyfriend. All around.
Okay,
so go with investigating.
Rachel?
Why is he investigating?
Okay, so the thing is, we can already assume Rachel.
What's up?
It's not you. It's not her.
Where's the box?
Where's the box?
Okay, so it's obviously not her. It's an echo, but it's obvious she's dead. So this is when we call the cops, guys.
The fresh. Oh, investigating.
Stop. Stop. Stop.
Now it's here.
Stop, Greg. Don't even do that.
Don't say stuff like that. Don't say stuff like that. This is not the time to say stuff like that. Oh God. Oh God.
I see you. I see you. I see you.
Bro, ain't no way.
No! Why'd you look away?
Keep your eyes on it, dumb.
Who are those? Who are those? Why do you look away?
They're getting closer.
Look, wait. Maybe you should just stay at him. Maybe you should just keep looking at him.
No, you have to look at all of them. No.
No, because he has to keep looking at him.
Lights out. My boy is gone. He's gone. He's gone.
So, kids, what did we learn today? By watching this film, what did you learn? A. Don't open the door for people you probably think are crazy. Yo, there was so much that could have been avoided. This is why I hate horror movies. It's just you can. Oh my god.
I wonder what they were going to cook.
And I
just wonder. It might have been good too.
John, I'm gonna kill you. And I knew he shouldn't have left too. I was like, dude, he left it for you. If anything, you should stay with it.
It's like he hasn't watched a scary movie before.
But yeah, guys, that's us reacting to some horror short films. We're probably never gonna do this again, but I get
2 lessons. What are the 2 lessons? The 2 lessons are: don't get into anybody else's business. Stay out of people's mouths.
I think that was it. I think that was honestly the best.
Lesson 2: don't open the door at night.
This is season 3. Like, comment, share, subscribe.
Yeah, we're not ending on that. What the heck was that, John? We're already terrified. You, Rick.
What can I watch?
Hello?
Because I'm serious. Hey, nigga.
There it is. There it is. We got our own short film going. Go ahead.
Hello? Guys, Guys, it's safe. Come out.
Boy, ain't no way.
Ain't no way, boy. Ain't no way, boy. Boy, ain't no way, boy.